this side in, as you can see, and then I'm going to make a piece that'll lay in here. And I'll put a bend on it, so it'll bend behind here, and then we'll rivet to that, and then rivet that, and then we're gonna have like some like edging that I'll put around this, so it just kind of finishes it. And yeah, it'll be all riveted, and then it'll look really good once everything's painted in here. So I don't know if we told you, but so these are black, as you can see. The floor back here we're gonna paint white, and then the cage will be red. So it's gonna look really nice when it's all done. And we're gonna have black carpet. We're gonna do the same thing on the door panels up here. And the factory dash will stay in, but we'll gut it as much as we can so it's light. So yeah, so we're gonna do the template for the other side over there and get the other panel made, and that'll be it for today. Well guys, we got the panels all done. I mean, done to the point we got some other finishing work to do on them. Now that we got those cut out, we can start prepping to put the cage in. And from there, it's once the cage is in, this thing's gonna take off. So stay tuned. Keep watching. White Nightmare's coming along. We got Brompton over there that's all tore apart. And yeah, so like, subscribe, support your local racetrack, and see you next time.